back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be part-time, and it seems easy enough, so we are going to dive on in. Just know the links to this and their Glassdoor page, if you're interested in doing some research or putting that application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Liftable Media Incorporated. They are hiring a social media content coordinator. Now again, this is a part-time. They are looking for someone to work a 5:30 a.m. shift Mountain Standard Time, and the shift ends at 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. It does say it's open to applicants to work remote from home. They are hiring throughout the United States, so if you're outside of the Mountain Standard Time Zone, make sure you convert your hours to see if that will work for you. They are paying $14.50 an hour. And of course, Liftable Media has a 3.8 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor. But they say this is an entry-level position. They are looking for somebody to coordinate with multiple parties to schedule and publish content on primary and secondary social media pages. So you will not actually be having to create the content. They have other people that's creating content, and then you have like a content calendar set up saying this article or this post is going out this day at this time. You are going to be the one responsible for scheduling, uploading those to the social media pages, publishing, and making sure it gets put out on the actual pages. You'll also be entering data into spreadsheets and content management systems. You'll communicate with your internal teammates and team members to help maximize the impact across the social media pages. And occasionally you'll have to assist the social media team with the distribution of breaking news stories. So you may be tasked with getting something out and published very quickly. We all know how to type up a little thing and hit that post button on Facebook, Instagram. So this should be easy peasy. Now, they are not requiring any kind of a college degree, and good news for those of you who are against the vaccinations, they don't require any kind of vaccinations. You are working remotely from home. They are looking for someone who's extremely organized, someone who has willingness to adapt to changes, someone who is a news junkie if you're all over social media keeping up with all the happenings, specifically on politics. Of course, you got to be experienced using social media. Now, Facebook Meta Business Manager experience is a plus and might get you to the top of the line, but it is not required. They do need somebody who has great attention to detail and has the ability to spot errors, correct mistakes, and double check completed work before it is published out on social media. Of course, you need to be able to sit and work on a computer for extended periods of time and have great communication skills. Sadly, one thing to note, they cannot take remote applicants in the state of California at this time. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, please feel free to leave anything specific in the comments that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.